Tell me when it starts.
Go. Go. Holy fuck.
Rick, you just leave your stick going, yeah? My turn?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Get it up.
Why'd you put that one in?
Get it down. Come on.
Jamie is in the wrong hand.
Are you still recording?
Yep.
You can take the stick away now.
Holy fuck. Got some close shots at that. Alright, where are you going again?
Hey, Joe. Camera, look at the stick. Camera, look at the stick. Look at the stick.
Oh shit, I'm scared of you. Gotta lay the stick down.
Go.
Hey, go. It's blowing right at you.
Now take the stick out. You still keep on holding it.
Turn around. Holy fuck. I told you. It's blowing that way. It's blowing right in your face again almost now. There you go.
Do it. Take the stick away.
Should have kept it down. Jeffrey the flamethrower. Your thing's still on fire. Oh, there we go. It was on fire the last time.